Greetings everyone, I am B. Managopal and my teammates are Y. Mahendraj, D. Aravindraj and S. Muthukumar.
We are from Johnson's Institute of Technology, Coimbatore, and our team ID is NI 197.
Here we are going to present our NI YANTRA project, lab based voting system using biometric sensors.
Our project is LabVIEW-based voting system using biometric sensors. The problem statement. Implementation of current voting system is highly expensive and it requires a lot of human effort. And also, electoral offenses, fake votes and proxy cannot be accurately found out. The literature study says that the cost per voter in 2014 elections was Rs 17, which leads to Rs 3,600 crores. Importance of our project is it reduces the implementation cost highly. The voter data is accessed from the database of other national ID itself. And the electoral offenses, fake votes can be accurately found out. The available solutions are the collection of data of all persons individually before polling, and then during polling the voter's face get detected and barcode of voter's ID can be scanned in order to restrict proxy and electoral offenses, which is stated in NI YANTRA 2013. But the problem in that solution is the face detection can be easily matched for many people, so there is a possible for fake voting. Our project implements biometric sensors in which we match the biometric values of each individuals in the pre-installed database, which may be other national ID, and it can be accessed through Wi-Fi connected system. In case of fake voters, the fingerprint module system displays warning message in the LCD display and sends alert to the message to the nearest police station through GSM module. If the voter is genuine, he is allowed to cast the vote. Then the polling is successful and it reduces the count in the database and increases the vote count. The additional features in this project are retina scanner, which can be used for physically challenged people. The components used in a project. The hardware components are fingerprint scanner module R305, USART interfacing, DC battery, Myrio microcontroller, GSM module, UART interfacing cable and USD HD camera. The software components used are LabVIEW 2014, MS Access database and biometric toolkit. Let us see the detailed design plan of our project. The main component of our project is Myrio hardware along with LabVIEW installed computer. From the thumb impression scanner, the biometric value is given to the Myrio hardware to the analog input port. From the cloud storage, the database is accessed through Wi-Fi and it is matched with the input thumb impression. If the values are matched and if it is not repeated, the control is given to the voting machine and the voter is declared eligible for voting. After the voter casts his vote, the count is given to the Myrio hardware. If both the values from the thumb impression scanner and the database are matched, but if it is repeated, then the warning message is given to the police station through the GSM module. But if both the values are not matched, then the display is directly given for mismatching. Let's see about the submodule blocks in our project. There are 4 submodules in our project along with the Myrio hardware. The first subblock is image acquisition hard block, in which there is an image thumb impression scanner and then a supply given to it. The next submodule is database submodule, in which the database is stored in a cloud which can be accessed through the Wi-Fi connection. The next subblock is GSM module imported a warning message which can be given to the police in case of fake votes. Then the final submodule is the voting machine, All the submodules are synchronized with the MyRio hardware. Let's see the simulation of our project. This value represents the level of matching between the output from the thumb impression scanner and the pre-installed database. If the matching is less than 90, it is declared that the voter is not valid since it is not matched. Let's see about if the here the value is less than 90, and if we run the message is given as fingerprint not matched, and so the voter is not eligible to vote. And in case the matching is above 90%, and if there is repetition, then the repetition message is given and the alert is given to the police through the GSM module. In case if the value of matching is more than 90 and also there is no repetition, then the message given is the voter is eligible to vote, and so the voter can cast his vote, and then it's counted.
We hope you could have clearly understood our project. Thank you for listening.